how to make money on Etsy by selling digital products. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell SVG cut files for Cricut or Silhouette on Etsy and make loads of money with this digital product. So here, open your browser and open Etsy.com. I'm going to show you the examples of the product first, just to let you know that there are a lot of people selling products like this and making a lot of money with it. So let's wait, these are not the what we are looking for. Let's wait for it to load. You are going to see now in front of your face. So these are the products I'm talking about. It's not these ones. These ones are the products I'm talking about. These all are the products that these people are making a lot of money with. So for example, like this one here. So here the page is unresponsive. Let's click on wait and list, and here after it was loaded, you can see those are the products I'm talking about. So for example, we can check this product in here. Let's wait for it to load. You can see $1.50, $1.50, and it's a digital product. As I said in the beginning, you won't have to deal with any of the problems that the people with physical products are dealing with, from shipping, delivery, or refunding the product, or refunding money to the client, or taking the product back. All of that you won't need to deal with, because in here people pay, then get the product instantly or immediately. They will just download the product immediately. And if you are asking or wondering why the people who are selling products with this low price won't make any money, I would argue that in contrary, you are going to make a lot of money with this money in here, because for only $1.50 you are not paying any fees. You are not paying the fees of delivering, the fees of packing the product, or shipping, or the platform in the middle. For example, for people in dropshipping, they are paying for CG dropshipping to ship the product, or so on. You will not pay for any of that. You just download the product in your page, and people will download it after they pay. And I'm going to show you exactly how much money these people are making. Let's go to Everbee in here, everbee.io. It's a platform that allows us to spy on the people that are working in this, that are selling these products. So let's wait for Everbee to load. Let's click on sign up for free, and here let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Let's give it a few seconds, and here let's go to the product analytics. Let's wait for it to load. Let's go here to the product analytics. Here, let's wait for it to load again. It's taking a bit. Let's just give it a few seconds. It will load right away. And here it is after it's loaded. Let's go to the search and let's type the name of the product we are going to spy on. Click on search products, and then we'll be able to see the reviews, and based on the reviews we will be able to guess how much money these people are making, because always to guess how much money they're making from the reviews, you just need to multiply the reviews by 2, because the people that are buying, the customers, half of the customers always leave a review, and the other half don't leave a review. Don't leave a review just like that. So here, let's, for example, this one here who is selling for $6. Let's go to the reviews here. This is the listing age. It's been, this shop been here on this product, been on Etsy from 8 months, and they have made 200 more than 200 sales based on the reviews, as you can see. And the other ones here, we have this one also sells for $6. And if you go to the listing age, 28 months, more than 400 sales. Same thing with this one in here, 5 months and more than 100 sales, and it's only for $6. So if you can just take this price and multiply it on $100 and see how much money these people are making without even doing any hard work or anything like that, because I'm going to show you how you can create products like this without even paying anyone to do that for you or anything like that. So here you can just open a new window or a new tab and go to canva.com and wait for it to load. And here we are going to search for templates. Let's go to the search. You'll find the exact same products like this on canva.com. You just need to make some edits to it. So here let's type the same name again and wait for it to load. And here you will find a lot of templates to edit or to make changes to. Let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Let's wait. Here we didn't find that. So here are some, but these are not the examples we are looking for. So here let's scroll down. I think the keyword I used is not the right one. So here SVG cut files. Let's go here. What are the names? Let's take this name for example, mountains SVG, and let's copy that and let's take it to Canva. Let's go back and let's go to the search. Let's remove this and here click on search and let's wait for it. So basically guys, you will be able to find examples of these products, and they are very easy to create. As you can see, they are just pictures that you put on the wall, and they are very easy to make, and it won't need any effort. You just make them and then list the product on your Etsy shop, and you will be able to make a lot of money with it. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.